How to budget like a millionaire. The secrets you need to know. Today I'm going to show you why millionaires seem to have it all together, living their best lives without the constant money worries most of us face. But before I explain, first, I'd like to ask you to stay till the end because I'm giving you a little bonus I think you're going to like. So, here we go. Have you ever wondered how millionaires seem to have it all together? It's not magic, it's not luck. And trust me, it's definitely not about having a huge salary. Millionaires aren't just rich, they're smart. And one of the biggest secrets to their success is how they budget. So let's talk about how you can start budgeting like a millionaire. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about being intentional with your money so that every dollar you spend is getting you closer to your goals. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Millionaires think differently. Before we even get into the numbers, you need to understand this. Millionaires think differently about money. They don't just look at money as a way to buy things, they see it as a tool, something that can work for them. Here's the mindset shift. You don't want to spend money just to look rich. You want to be rich. Millionaires prioritize building wealth over impressing others. They invest their money in assets, things that grow in value, that provide income. Their focus is on growth, not consumption. That's the mindset you need to adopt. Step 2. Know where your money goes. The first step to any millionaire-style budget is understanding where your money is going. Millionaires don't have a vague idea of their finances. They know exactly where every dollar is headed. So, track your spending for a month. No, really, I know it sounds tedious, but this step is vital. Use apps, spreadsheets, or good old-fashioned pen and paper, whatever works for you. Write it all down. Look at every purchase, and don't just glance at the big stuff. The small things add up. That daily coffee or those online shopping sprees, they're eating away at your potential wealth. Step 3. Separate your needs from your wants. This is a big one. Millionaires know the difference between needs and wants, and they don't get the two confused. Needs are essentials, things like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation. Wants? Those are the things that add extra shine to your life, but aren't necessary for survival. When you're budgeting like a millionaire, you have to ask yourself, is this a need or is it a want? The trick is not to deprive yourself, but to make sure that your wants don't consume your budget. Prioritize what will build your future over what feels good right now. Step 4. Pay yourself first. This might sound strange, but trust me, millionaires know this rule like the back of their hand. You absolutely must pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, buy groceries, or go out for dinner, set aside a portion of your income to save and invest. It's the first thing in your budget, not the last thing. This way, your future is always guaranteed to get the best of what you earn. Start small if you need to, but aim for at least 20% of your income to be saved or invested right away. The key is consistency. Millionaires don't wait for extra money to save. They make saving a non-negotiable part of their routine. Step 5. Automate everything. Now here's where things get really smart. Millionaires automate their savings and bills. They know that life gets busy, and they don't want to rely on willpower to keep their finances in check. Set up automatic transfers into your savings and investment accounts and automate your bill payments. This way, you're not tempted to spend what you should be saving. You've already decided what's important to you. Now let the automation do the work for you. Step 6. Build multiple income streams. Millionaires don't rely on one source of income. And if you want to budget like them, neither should you. The richest people don't get their wealth from just their paycheck. They get it from their investments, side businesses, royalties, rental properties, or whatever else they can leverage. I'm not saying you need to build a business empire overnight, but look for ways to diversify your income. Start a side hustle, invest in stocks, look into real estate. The more income streams you have, the more flexibility you'll have to save and grow your wealth. Step 7. Focus on long-term goals. Here's another secret millionaires know. Budgeting is not about the here and now. It's about your long-term financial health. Millionaires think decades ahead. They don't focus on what they can buy today. but on what they'll have tomorrow. Set clear long-term financial goals. Do you want to retire early, buy a house, build a college fund for your kids? Those long-term dreams are what should guide your budgeting decisions. When you focus on the future, it makes the sacrifices in the present a lot easier to handle. Step 8. Eliminate bad debt, invest in good debt. Millionaires don't run from debt. They run from bad debt. Credit cards, payday loans, high-interest loans, those are the kinds of debt that can keep you chained to your finances. Good debt, on the other hand, is the kind that works for you. Think mortgages on properties that appreciate, student loans for valuable degrees, business loans that help you grow your business. The key to budgeting like a millionaire is to manage your debt wisely. Pay down the bad debt as fast as possible, but use good debt to leverage opportunities that will help you build wealth over time. Step 9. Review and adjust regularly. Millionaires don't set a budget and forget about it. They review it regularly. Your budget is a living, breathing document. It should reflect your evolving goals, changing expenses, and income increases. Revisit your budget every few months and adjust it to fit your current situation. Are you saving more now? Great, increase that percentage. Got a raise at work? Invest more of it. Regularly review and adjust so you're always on the path to wealth. Step 10. Patience and discipline, the millionaire way. The final secret to budgeting like a millionaire is patience and discipline. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon. Millionaires didn't build their wealth overnight, and neither will you. But every small, intentional decision you make adds up over time. You've got this. Every step you take in the right direction is a step toward financial freedom. It's about living below your means, thinking long-term, and consistently making smart choices. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. So are you ready to start budgeting like a millionaire? The habits you build today will shape your financial future, and with these strategies in hand, you'll be on your way to wealth in no time. As a little bonus for saying thank you for watching this entire video, and for being a loyal subscriber, I'd like to give you a little gift. I'd like to share with you the very budgeting spreadsheet I use in my business and personal life. It is an invaluable tool for tracking your money and seeing what you spend and where. It's been very helpful to me and many others, and I would like to give this to you for free. Simply comment below, "Send me the budget sheet," and I will send you the link. Thank you very much for listening. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share for more money smart tips, and we will see you in the next one. Stay golden.